So I'm in the first step of connecting a device to the woojer Vest 3. This time I'm gonna connect the headphone. So you have to open up the app, which is, I have it on an Android phone on the Z Flip. So when you open up the app, it will search for the woojer device right away. So you have to be aware that you have to turn on your woojer Vest power before the app can connect to it. Once it's turned on, you can now open up your woojer app, and right away you will see this. It will tell you that your output device is not connected yet. So on this video, we are connecting the output device, which is the headphone. So I have the headphone or headset slot here. It's easy push in. It has a symbol of headphones. You're not gonna get lost on where to connect it. So just make sure that it's snugged tightly, and look at your app. Right away it changes and it tells you that you are now connected. You have the headphones and you are now ready. Your first step to start using your woojer Vest 3